Good morning, students. Now, this is the lecture for class 3rd subject English. This is your lesson 1 sentences, and this is your lecture for the home solution, your homework which is given to you, and this is lecture 4. So, in this lecture, the homework which is given you earlier in lecture 3, the solution for the same, I will give it to you. So, I'll proceed. In lecture 3, I have given you fill in the blanks with correct question words WH family. The sentences are given below. So you have to first, while doing these sentences, you have to check it properly that have you done it correctly or not. If you haven't done, so you have to do that particular sentence twice. So I am telling you A part. Dash is your school? Question mark. Because it is related to a place, so over here which will come. Which is your school? WHICH. Which. B part. Dash will you finish your homework? It is denoting about the time. So over here when will come. Usually your parents ask, आप homework कब ख़त्म करोगे? So they are asking about कि आप कितना time लेंगे. That's why over here when will come. When will you finish your homework? C part. Dash is the sky blue. Why is the sky blue? It's a general question. So over here while will come. Why? Why is the sky blue? Third part is over. Now D part. Which is your favorite cricketer? It is regarding a person. The question is asked about regarding a person, and we are asking regarding a subject because the answer for the particular question is like Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite cricketer. So where you will fill which. WHICH. E part. Dash is your name. The general question you usually ask, your teachers asked, your parents asked from to someone, what is your name? F part. Who is sitting next to you? G part. When will you come? So, like this, you have to fill all the blanks, and the following points which you have to kept in mind, like the functions of the particular words, I am telling you again. So listen carefully. You have to listen very carefully. Question words and functions. So your first function and the question word is where. Where आप किसके लिए पूछते हैं? It is asked about place and position. When you want to ask about any place or the position, you use where. Now next word is which is used for asking about choice. So you can use which over there. Which is used for the choice. Which is your notebook? Suppose I show two notebooks to the students and I asked, which is your notebook? Now the next, whom? Asking what or which person. But this particular question is related to the object. Now last is who? Asking what or which person. You can ask any question or it is regarding any person. Who opens the door? Like the answer will be Ram opens the door. So it is related to the subject. The person will come in place of subjects. That's why we use who over here. So you have to take in mind the functions of the particular words, and accordingly you will be able to fill the blanks with the WH family words very easily. So just do it like that. Thank you.